If your dry skin is giving you that nails on a chalkboard feeling, don't worry because I've got you. Welcome back to Beauty Math by Be Beautiful, where we show you how to save your skin while also saving your money. Hi everyone, I'm Aisha and you might know me as Global Beauty Finds on Instagram, but today I'm here to talk about dry skin struggles. Flaky patches, dryness, roughness, dullness, basically when your skin is screaming for help. And listen, all the products I'm talking about are under 500 rupees, so as always, they are Be Beautiful's Beauty Math approved. I travel a lot between Bombay and Goa, two places that don't really get cold, but you know what they do get? Smoggy and sun-baked. And that is why I really need a face wash that cleanses and hydrates but without stripping my skin. This Pond's Hydra Miracle Gentle Gel Face Wash is a gem. It uses a Cera-Hyamino complex, think ceramides plus hyaluronic acid. Way more effective than regular hyaluronic acid, just by the way. It even has 10 million prebiotic molecules that make sure your skin barrier is happy and hydrated. My hack is to use it with lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water dries your skin out even more. Lather it really well between your hands first so that you can actually feel that layer of foam between your hands and your face. This way, it helps clean your face super effectively without rubbing harshly at all. Post-cleanse, my skin is so thirsty to lock in some more moisture. This simple water boost hydrating gel creme gives you a huge boost of hydration. Up to 100 hours of moisturization, all while still staying lightweight and non-greasy. I find that applying this on damp skin right after cleansing gives a little bit of extra hydration. Or, hear me out, use a thin layer as a sleeping mask. Guess what? This just became a 2-in-1 product without spending anything extra. What is the point of hydrated skin if it's not protected? This minimalist sunscreen has SPF 50 and PA4+, which means it's protecting you from UVA and UVB rays. Just make sure to apply 2 to 3 fingers of it across your face and neck, and don't forget your eyelids and ears too. You can reapply this really easily without sprays or sticks just by patting a little bit into your skin with a damp beauty blender. No rubbing or dryness, just extra sun protection. Chances are, if you're dealing with dryness on your face, the skin on your body needs some extra love too. This Vaseline Glutathione Serum Lotion gives you a dewy glow and hydration, but on a budget. It has this silky serum texture that your skin just drinks up with no sticky residue at all. I really like using a big body brush to apply it all over right before leaving the house. It applies extra fast, spreads evenly, avoids patchiness, and gives you that dewy glow all over. Dry skin means dry, chapped lips, so don't you dare skip lip care. Swipe on a lip balm like this classic Vaseline one that even has this rosy sheen to add a little bit of color to your face. This glides on so smoothly and makes your lips feel instantly plumper and hydrated. I'm giving away all my secret hacks here. Layer your lip balm with a drop of hyaluronic acid underneath it. It'll add an extra layer of hydration and give them a boost of plumping. That's it, my dry skin rescue kit, all under 500 rupees. Because in Beauty Math, you don't need expensive rituals to get you glowy, hydrated skin. Drop a comment with your favorite dry skin hack and don't forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful for all things beauty and budget smart. Stay hydrated, stay glowing, and see you in the next one.